来看美国11月初5总统大选，根据民调，贺锦丽和 Trump 间那差无到1%。来看七大摇摆州之一的密西根州，这本地是民主党较占赢面。顶届大选呢，拜登直接赢 Trump 2%左右。密西根州呢有16张选举人票，阿拉伯的人口有50万人，在全美国是占上济。当地有真侪移民甲因的后代，因为拜登政府伫以下冲突支持以色列，地区选民呢是未愿甲票转予贺锦丽。而且密西根州呢是制造业为主，川普经济政见可能就会甲选票挂走。虽然贺锦丽讲伊会拍拼停止加沙战争，不过啥人会当做总统，实在是真歹暗算。
美国总统大选最后阶段，两党候选人拢来到摇摆州进行最后的冲刺。民主党的贺锦丽选前最后一个拜六，分别去乔治亚州、北卡罗来纳州甲密西根州做势，希望会当转变伫摇摆州一寡落后的情形。
Georgia, we have an opportunity in this election to finally turn the page on a decade of Donald Trump.Who spends full time trying to keep us divided and afraid of each other. We're done. We're done with that.
根据上新民调显示，贺锦丽伫全国民调领先川普3个百分点。摇摆州方面，贺锦丽伫内华达州领先3个百分点，威斯康星2个百分点，乔治亚1个百分点。两人伫宾州甲密西根州是拍平。共和党的川普只有伫亚利桑那州领先4个百分点，也毋过全拢是伫误差的范围内。川普拜六先后去维吉尼亚州、北卡甲宾州做势。
I put everything on the line for you, and including my life itself. We don't want your money. I don't want any money. I don't want anything. We don't want. All we want is one simple thing: get out on Tuesday and vote.
因为美国大选是采用选举人票制度，除了缅因州甲内布拉斯加州之外，赢伫这个州的普选都会当专摕到选举人票。七大摇摆州正做影响大选结果的关键角色，也毋过有摇摆州选民表示，到今还未决定要投予什么人，因为唔知影这张选票敢是真正重要。
The things that matter the most to us are the things that neither party is giving us, and so it's literally sometimes like choosing the lesser of two evils because none of what matters to me is on the ticket.
伊强调，确定的是绝对袂投予川普，也毋过有阿拉伯的选民指出，对政府处理以下冲突的态度失望，拒绝投票予贺锦丽，甚至有穆斯林转向支持川普。
They don't care about us. I don't care about either. So I'm not voting for either. For now, 1,000,000% I'm not voting for Harris, and I'm undecided at this point.
关键摇摆州之一的密西根州有全美国上济阿拉伯的人口，顶届投票大约有7成阿拉伯选票支持拜登，也毋过民调显示，大约有4成的穆斯林支持绿党候选人。川普得到18%的支持率，贺锦丽是以12%落后，也予大选结果真歹有聊。公司新闻陈伟霆报道。